Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Let Me Try Tech. And for today's video, we have here a mini mechanical keyboard. Thank you for sending this to us, Zifriend. This is the Zifriend ZA646 mechanical keyboard, 60% with 63 keycaps. And inside the box, you have the manual and the USB Type-C cord. And here it is. It has an elevation, 2 elevation, yes, and it's good. I think this is good for those people who are looking for a space-saving, portable, mechanical keyboard. And it has a lot of RGB color. This keyboard is a blue switch keyboard. And let us hear what it sounds like. Very clicky. I think I will recommend this keyboard for gamers and those who want a loud a loud keyboard, because this is a very clicky for typeries, gameries. Yeah, this is the perfect way to annoy your seatmates or office mates. Because it has a loud clicky noise. This keyboard has a pretty bright light, so even when your room is dark, yeah, you can see the keycaps because it's passed through. And we have RGB lights here at the bottom, 11 modes of RGB lights, and I like it. And I just want to say that this is a brand new channel, and if you're new here, please do subscribe, click the notification bell so you won't be left behind, so you will be updated whenever we have a new upload to this channel. Yes, we will unbox next the Zifriend ZA63 Pro, which is a tri-mode keyboard. And this one, the one we unbox in the video, is a wired keyboard. You need to plug it in to your computer. And if you're interested in this keyboard, just let me know in the comment section and I will provide the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.